So I'm back again with another unboxing video. I know it's been a while, and I have a lot of things that I need to show you guys because I've been buying a lot of gear lately. So today I have the Ortofon Concord mix cartridge with needle. Everything from what I understand is already attached. Very great presentation. I'll put all the information about this below and where you can purchase this below. So let's just hop right into it. And I don't know, like if any of you have just started DJing or have DJed or have been DJing for a while, like this is like the de facto, like this is one of the greatest cartridges you can buy. That's so easy to set up and just sounds really great and works really well. So again, like I said, very nice presentation. I love these little aluminum tape stickers. I don't know if they're good for the environment, but I just like that touch. You know what I mean? It's not that cheap, clear plastic like you could get those things from anywhere. Like very nice touch there. Not tricky to open up. So let's see here. This looks like the top here. We're just going to pull this open. And there it is. Look at that. Very nice presentation. Very nice. So let's crack this open a little bit more. They have some instructions in the back. Is this taped down? No, this isn't taped down, so just wedge my finger in there and open this up. And there it is. It has a protective covering on the needle portion. And you just screw this in and you are good to go. So this is the unboxing for the Concord mix by Ortofon. I'm not sure how to properly pronounce that. I'm sure I'll get schooled in the comments below. And I'll be back with another video soon. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.